Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find Instagram Reels templates very quickly. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Instagram, I need you to click on the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Finding Instagram Reel templates can help you create engaging and visually appealing content quickly, because as we all know, templates provide a pre-designed structure, saving you time and effort compared to creating content from scratch. Now, using templates helps maintain a consistent look and feel across your reels, enhancing your brand identity. Of course, templates can modify to fit your style, message, sparking a new creative avenue and ideas. Now, for you to be able to find Instagram Reel templates, there are multiple ways for you to do that. Number one is, which is CapCut. Alright, it's a free AI-powered app that allows users to edit videos, and now, it's really known for its viral video templates, and its editing tools are designed to help users recreate popular videos from the app's feed. Yeah, it's known mostly for TikTok, but you can also get some free Instagram templates using the CapCut because it offers a variety of features, including video editing, like basic tools for splitting video, adding audio, and applying filters, as well as more advanced features like keyframe animation, slow motion, and graphics. Of course, the templates, pre-made templates here includes images, sound cues, and GIFs from Jiffy to help users create trendy content. Now, all you're gonna do is you can download this app for your mobile device or your tablet or your laptop, but you can also sign up for free, which we're going to do right now. You see, once we are inside the CapCut, this is going to be the dashboard wherein you can add elements, templates, audio, text, captions, and a lot more. When you hover to the template, you see we have a plethora of options for you to choose from here in CapCut. All right, all I'm gonna do is hover to where you can see the search templates and type in Instagram, for example. If you hit enter, what will happen is you would be given a lot of options for you to choose from, and this is going to be the Instagram templates quickly. Another option that you might want to explore is InShot. It's a video and photo editing app for iOS and Android that offers a variety of features like CapCut, because it has tools for splitting, trimming, and merging video clips, as well as adding music, sound effects, voiceovers, text, stickers, and animations, similarly to CapCut. And of course, they provide Instagram templates for free. All right. Now, as you can see, you can make a basic video with advanced assets like video collage, smooth slow motion, stop motion, and reverse video, and more. All I'm gonna do is click this option. You can get InShot, TikTok, and YouTube, but of course, they also offer an option template for the Instagram. Now, the next option that you can explore if you're not happy with InShot is Capwing. It is one of the most powerful online video editing software for content creators. You can trim, add text, music, and even use cool and filters to highlight your videos. The cloud saves your videos so you can edit them from anywhere using a PC or laptop. And similarly to CapCut and the InShot, they offer free Instagram Reel templates as well. Right? It's a collaborative online content creation platform that you can use to edit video. And of course, all I'm gonna do is click on sign in if you already have an account already, or just click on the get started button. Now, all you have to do is just sign in using these options. You can continue with Google, with Facebook, or you can enter your business or professional email. Now, this is one of my favorites Reel template editor, which is Adobe Express, because you can make Reels and TikTok and Instagram videos, flyers, resumes, banners, logos, and more with the new all-in-one Adobe Express for fast and easy content. As you can see, you can stand out with Adobe Express, your all-in-one AI content creation app for making stunning social posts, images, videos, flyers, and more. All I'm gonna do is just, click on the social media option here so you can see the template ready for Instagram Reel. Click on social media. Now, there's a lot of options that you can do, and here you can get started with all-in-one editing, make flyers for Instagram, which is the size is 1080 by 1920 pixel. All right. If you click on the create now option, you would be forwarded here. All you're gonna do is click on agree to the terms and conditions. It's free app, and of course you can leverage using the Adobe Express. It is one of the most powerful creative learning experiences for students, teachers, professionals, creative designers, and amateurs like you and me. All right. Click on I agree, and then let's see and explore the Adobe Express. You see, these are the templates that you wanted. You can simply search from the thousands of free Instagram ready templates for you to choose from. It's all up to you. All right. Now, you see that it is one of the easiest way to make and share content. It has all the tools here you need to for both mobile and web, and you can choose again for thousands of beautiful unique content from professionals. All right. It's all up to you. There's a lot that you can choose from here, but basically we're just choosing for the Instagram app. All right. You can of course go for a theme, resize, background color, margins, and a lot more. Now, the last platform, which is my favorite amongst them, is Canva. It is a graphic design platform that provides tools for creating social media graphics and presentations. All right. Now, we have so many Canva tutorials here on our channel. You might want to check them out. All right. And basically all they're going to do is, this is free. Like you see, you can try Pro for 30 days, but I'm not going to do with that right now. So basically all they're going to do is go to the homepage. Now, there's a lot that you can choose from here. Social media, if you wanted. Of course, you can just hover to where it says Instagram post or Instagram story, or simply go for the Instagram reel, this one, and click on create blank. Now, as you can see, there's a lot that you can choose from here. All right, so it's up to you. Or you can simply drag and drop some file, and of course resize if you wanted. It's all up to you. This is highly customizable, by the way. Now remember, utilizing all the Instagram reel templates we have shown you can significantly enhance your content creation process, allowing you to produce high quality, engaging, and consistent reels with greater efficiency. Using templates can elevate the quality of your content, making it look more polished and engaging, which is crucial for brand representation and growth. I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.